Hey, this is Commerce Review. Breakthrough technology sets up. Done for you peer-to-peer e-commerce stores in less than 60 seconds. Collect payments securely and fulfill orders with a single click, without having to design, create, or ship them. Create secure P2P stores quickly and easily create of secure stores in minutes. All the products you'll ever need. Search and add the most profitable and high-selling products to your store. Never touch or ship a product you never have to store, pack, or ship any products. Hosting included: free hosting, storage, and bandwidth for all your stores. Create stores for local businesses, a great source of income to grow your bottom line. Free commercial license, make as many sales as you want and rent secure stores to local businesses. Now you can have your own beautiful and profitable e-commerce store and collect payments without any risk. pCommerce builds incredibly successful smart e-commerce stores that add products, generate traffic, and bring big, secure profits with crypto payments. pCommerce solves all your problems: sourcing, delivering profitable products, and finding buyer traffic. Create smart, secure, crypto-based stores. pCommerce AI-based app is a game changer. It helps put you on the global map and sell products in the most advanced, secure, and hassle-free manner. In just a few clicks, you can launch your own e-commerce store that pulls in a huge amount of crypto automatically. It also makes everything else effortless, like selling and receiving secure payments. All you need to do is log in and collect your favorite coin effortlessly. Sell anything you want. In any niche. You can sell software, affiliate offers, ebooks, offer dropshipping, local services, pretty much anything. And get paid in crypto. Built-in product library. Choose from dozens of digital and physical products to sell to your customers. Choose from these top sellers to increase your bottom line today. Create and manage products. If there's something you want to sell that's not in our product bank, you can sell that too. Just add it, update it, and change what you want when you want. SEO Manager. Grow your business with free traffic from Google itself. Add the best tags and meta info to get shoppers to your store. Testimonial section. People love social proof. Get your happy customers to share their happy shopping experience and you'll have more happy customers. Rent secure crypto e-commerce stores to local businesses. Imagine the profits you could bank. Month after month, offer local business the opportunity to sell their goods and services online for crypto. This can be a huge win-win for everyone.
Hey, this is Lou Hornberger, and in this video I'm going to show you how pCommerce works. pCommerce allows you to leverage peer-to-peer technology and sell any kind of products in any niche with pCommerce. So let me show you what it does here. Your home, your product list, your blog. There is a built-in blog platform, and then your contact information. You can give them a phone number if you want to be contacted that way. You can add a banner here with any specials you're running. Your cart is here. And now we have our featured items here. This is a real interesting feature. This allows you to set up affiliate links to cryptocurrency sites. So you're allowed to connect with them. So if people need crypto, they can click on these, go purchase it from some of the big names out there, and you get an affiliate commission on those. The feature collections, your categories, and your sales that you're running. Additional feature that each have their own categories. And as you see here, the pricing can be done in dollars or it can be done in crypto. Focus on different brands that you're selling as well, and of course your contact information in the footer. And all that is managed in the back end, and I will take you to the back end now. Here we are inside the dashboard of pCommerce. As you can see here, you get a great overview of everything with a very detailed training on how to create your pCommerce store. That's about a 16-minute long video, but I want to take you through what we can do here. So we're going to create that store. So we're in the stores and we're going to create store. From here, we're going to create our store, and we're going to call it Beauty. And then we can upload a logo for that store. We can choose our basic, our blaze, our classic. I'm going to go with the blaze and activate that. I'm going to save. Then, of course, we can create our categories. We can create our products. Now, we do have lots of products that come with it. Simply select product, and you'll see there is a huge product bank already. There are physical, digital, and you can search for all of them. We're going to go for physical products as we're looking for beauty stuff. So we're going to go here. Oh, there is enlargement, slimming body cream, anti-cellulite, and it's that simple to set this up. And then once you're done, then you save it, and now, just like that, they're now added to my store. That's how easy it is to add products from the product bank into your store. You can assign them to different categories. You can create your promo banners that have your affiliate links. You can then also manage your SEO. When you go into the SEO, you can upload a custom image. You can put in your meta description, your meta keyword, you get your social description. All of those are set up so that you are ready to get the free traffic that Google offers. Managing orders is very simple. You come in here to manage them. You see ones that are being processed, ones that are completed, ones that are rejected. Payment gateway. You can choose to set up coin payments and Stripe and PayPal. Be able to use Bitcoin and Ethereum, so you're not limited in the payments that you receive. Under the manage of the sections, you'll see there's an extensive list of places that you can manage your blog section, your brand section, your contact us in the footer section, the header section, your offer management, your company policies, your service section, your social icons, your subscription section, and your testimonial section. You'll be able to track any payments that have been sent, any pending payments, approved payments, successful payments, rejectable payments, and then look at all of the payments as well to give you total control over your pCommerce store, to allow you to sell anything you want, anywhere you want, online, using cryptocurrency payments, using Stripe, using PayPal, whatever you like. You can set up in pCommerce. pCommerce also includes all the hosting you need, all the traffic you need. It includes built-in SSL encryption so that your transactions are securely processed and there's nothing to worry about. It includes our step-by-step training with our top-notch support, commercial license. Of course, we include that. And the other great thing is pCommerce is 100% mobile friendly. So no matter where you are, no matter what platform your users are using, they're able to browse your store and make purchases over and over again using any type of payment that they choose.